The gap is growing between the time of kids indoors and their time outdoors. In fact, a nationwide poll says that only 10% of the kids today are spending time outdoors. Why is that? Lack of access to natural areas and discomfort with the outdoors are two primary factors identified by the Conservancy's poll. 80% said it was uncomfortable to be outdoors due to things like bugs and heat. 62% said that they did not have transportation to natural areas. 61% said there were no natural areas near their homes. 66% of youth say they have had a personal experience in nature that made them appreciate it more. Roughly 76% of youth today strongly believe issues like climate change can be solved if action is taken now. They also think safeguarding important lands and waters should be a priority. 91% said that if a friend encouraged them to spend more time outdoors, they would listen. Therefore, the poll suggests that the best way to get kids more involved in nature may be through peer pressure. 90% of kids who spent time outside said being in nature and taking part in outdoor activities helped relieve stress. Despite their lack of access to nature, America's youth are concerned about the environmental issues and are positive that their generation can do something to overcome this problem. Outdoor activities, especially nature conservancy, is very important for the kids to be exposed more to nature. May each and every member of the community do everything in order to expose the children to outdoor experiences.